House Bill 4687. Imagine this. Imagine a parent whose child attends a charter school that's run by a private nonprofit. Something goes wrong, maybe unsafe conditions, discrimination, or a broken promise in a contract. The parent tries to take the issue to court, but learns the charter operator is legally untouchable. The case is dismissed before it begins. What the bill says it does? House Bill 4687 says it gives charter schools the same legal protections that public school districts already have. It claims to ensure fairness by extending governmental immunity to charters and adult education programs. What it actually does? This means private charter organizations and the nonprofits that run them now have the same immunity as elected school boards, but without public elections, audits, or open meetings. It shields charter operators from any lawsuits, while families, staff, and contractors lose the ability to hold them accountable in court. Now, who benefits? Charter management companies and nonprofits like Goodwill Central Texas, education law firms and lobby groups that represent charter interests, and lawmakers and consultants who promote privatized education models. Now, who pays the price? Parents, students, and employees who lose access to justice if harmed, local communities that can't challenge mismanagement or unsafe programs, and taxpayers who may end up covering costs while private operators are immune. And why this matters. When private boards get public immunity but not public accountability, everyday Texans lose control over their schools. If something goes wrong, the courthouse door is closed and the state oversight is too weak to fill the gap. Accountability disappears, but the funding keeps flowing. Questions to ask your lawmakers. How can Texans hold charter operators accountable if they can't take them to court? Why give private nonprofits the same immunity as elected public boards without requiring the same transparency? And would you support adding limits so immunity doesn't cover gross negligence or civil rights violations? Bottom line, House Bill 4687 protects private charter operators from accountability while leaving families and communities with no clear way to seek justice.